Now, earlier we told you about some of those issues around FBN Holdings, First Bank of Nigeria. Now, we do have a court order. This is from FBN Holdings, but we do have a court order. It's not very legible, but you know, with legal things, you have to be really, really careful with it. That's what we're trying to do. So that court order has the plaintiffs and the applicants as First Bank of Nigeria and FBN Quest. And then on the other hand, you do have the defendants, a whole lot of individuals, including Mr. Nduka Ebaigun. I'm sure you've seen that story that was on yesterday. So this is an order mandating all commercial banks in Nigeria, of course, will include Guarantee Trust Bank, Access Bank, Citibank, Eco Bank, First City Monument, all of them, to file and serve on the plaintiffs and applicant solicitors. Remember, that's the First Bank of Nigeria and the FBN Quest, to file and serve on them, on their solicitors, within 7 days of serving this court order on them, an affidavit disclosing the sum standing to the first to the fourth defendant's credit, with a duly certified statement of account of the first to the fourth defendants and respondents in their respective custody from the date of its opening till the date this order is served on banks. It's an order mandating the 8th to the 13th defendants to file and serve on plaintiff applicants a statement disclosing quantum of products lifted from the 8th defendant of OML 120 since the commencement of production. And I think the amount involved here says that I'll just go there. An order of interim injunction restraining the first and to the fourth defendants, agents, servant officers, and other persons, natural or artificial, however called under the control of the first to the fourth defendants, from transferring or otherwise dealing with any and all of the money standing to the credit of the defendants in any account whatsoever with any of the aforementioned banks, whatever situate up to the amount of $225 million, $225,802,379.69, being the indebtedness on the first defendant's account with the first plaintiff applicant as of September 30th, 2024. So, I mean, it's an information we need to give to the members of the public, but it's a court order, and of course, it's connected to the FBN Holding, which we had told you earlier how FBN Holding is assuring its customers that in spite of all of this, what's going on in the court with individuals, with the banks and all of that, they're assuring customers, shareholders, that business is going on well, your investment is safe, and operations will run as smoothly as possible.